Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down and access apps section. Then click on default apps and tap on one of those options, in my case, browser app. Lastly, click on your downloaded one in order to apply it, like Firefox. Then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!